Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a really quick look at a very easy product to install. You don't need any plumbing knowledge whatsoever, but this product could literally save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars in damages should you ever have a water leak. This product is the Leak Alert Electronic Water Detector by Zircon. It's a very simple device. The way it operates is you're going to pop it open and you'll see that it's powered by a 9-volt battery on the inside. Close the device, set it anywhere that's going to be prone to leaks. You're going to want to lay it down flat on its back. I like to put these near water heaters, underneath the kitchen sink. If you've got a sump pump, a sewage ejector in your home, it's a great idea to place one on the ground near that pump. You may also want to put one underneath your toilet. Sometimes toilet bolts holding the tank to the bowl, they'll rust free and start leaking to the ground. And what this will do, it's going to give you an early warning sign that there is a leak. I'm going to go ahead and place my fingers on the contacts. I'm going to get them just a little bit wet and you'll see what it does. I am going to turn the volume down just a little bit so it's not going to pierce your ears, but it will be louder than this in real life. So here we go. So it operates similar to a smoke detector, but instead of detecting smoke, it's detecting moisture, it's detecting liquid. It's letting you know, hey, there's a problem, come check this out. Rather than if you have a water heater in a basement in a room that you don't often go into that continues to leak and leak and leak until you see it, or if you have a leak underneath your sink in the kitchen. I've gone to many jobs where by the time the customer was even aware of the leak, just completely damaged and rotted out the cabinetry. This device is wonderful in those type of applications. I have leak detectors in my own home in those applications, and it's just something that I really think is worth considering. So at the time of this video, I believe this product is about $15 on Amazon. I'm going to put links in the description where you can locate it. These are affiliate links. Now that means that if you choose to click the link and then make a purchase, I do receive a small commission at absolutely no additional cost to you. So if you would like to click the link and decide to try one of these out, thank you for your support. If not, no big deal. I don't post products that I don't believe in. This is a product that I personally use in my house. I personally provide it for my customers. I do think this is a great product and something well worth considering. So thank you guys for watching. You have a wonderful day.